My name is Molly Kate Greenouch, and today I'm presenting on the weak force. Is it necessary? In our universe, it's composed of 4 fundamental forces that keep everything working and going. We have electromagnetism, the strong nuclear interaction, the weak nuclear interaction, and gravity. Gravity is the weakest of the 4 forces. It works on objects that have mass. It's what allows us to stay on the Earth without flying off of it, and it keeps the Earth moving around the sun. Those are a couple of the examples. Electromagnetism is 10 to the 36 times stronger than gravity. It works on particles with a charge, and it travels through space in waves. The strong force is 10 to the 38 times stronger than gravity, just to kind of get proportions here. And it works on small distances, and it's what keeps the nucleus of an atom together. The weak force, the main force that I wanted to cover today, is 10 to the 25th times stronger than gravity. It's composed of a W, 2 W bosons, and a Z boson. The weak force works on small distances, like the strong force, but it allows particles to escape the strong force. The weak force is responsible for the decay of neutrons into protons, electrons, and neutrinos. Without the weak force, neutrons wouldn't decay, and then the heavier elements wouldn't be created. But in this hypothesis, the hypothesized theory that I read, they mentioned that without the weak force, the heavier elements would be able to be made if our universe had started with more free protons and less neutrons. The neutron and proton mix would create deuterium, which is known as a heavier element. And then, because of this, all the other elements in the periodic table would be produced and then carried through our universe by stellar winds, thus kind of mixing everything up and getting it where it needs to be. If this were the case, when our universe was created, the stars, they would burn much hotter, larger, and redder than they do today. Our planet's water supply as well would be different. It would be made of deuterium, which is toxic to our life today. But if we had started with this, they hypothesized that we would be equipped with the means to survive. And I found this all interesting, like another theory of how we could have came to be. And this is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening.